The Magical Garden Adventure. Once upon a time in the small town of Whimsyville, there lived a curious little girl named Lily. Lily was known for her sparkling blue eyes and a heart full of wonder. One sunny day, while exploring the outskirts of her town, Lily stumbled upon a hidden path that led to a mysterious garden. As Lily stepped into the garden, she couldn't believe her eyes. The flowers were gigantic, and each one seemed to shimmer with a different color. Butterflies danced in the air, and the grass beneath her feet felt like a soft carpet. The garden was unlike anything Lily had ever seen before, and she knew it was no ordinary place. Just as Lily marveled at the beauty around her, a friendly rabbit named Oliver hopped out from behind a bush. Oliver had a bright pink coat and a bow tie that matched the flowers in the garden. "Hello, Lily. Welcome to the magical garden," said Oliver, his whiskers twitching with excitement. Lily's eyes widened with delight. "Magical garden? How did I get here?" Oliver explained that the garden was a magical place that appeared only to those with pure hearts and adventurous spirits. The garden had the power to bring dreams to life and turn ordinary days into extraordinary adventures. Lily was thrilled at the prospect of a magical adventure. Together with Oliver, they explored the enchanted garden, discovering hidden treasures and meeting whimsical creatures like talking birds and friendly frogs. The flowers in the garden could sing, and their melodies filled the air with joy. As they journeyed deeper into the garden, they encountered a wise old owl named Professor Hoots. The professor told them about a special key hidden in the heart of the garden that could unlock the most magical of all places, the Fountain of Dreams. Determined to find the key, Lily and Oliver faced challenges, solved puzzles, and made new friends along the way. They crossed rainbow bridges and danced with fireflies, all while giggling and laughing. Finally, after a day filled with adventure, they reached the heart of the garden. There, nestled among the flowers, was the key to the Fountain of Dreams. With a twinkle in her eye, Lily turned the key, and a magical door appeared. Beyond the door was a place filled with floating bubbles that sparkled with the dreams of children. Lily and Oliver stepped through the door and found themselves in a world where anything was possible. They could fly with the birds, swim with dolphins, and even ride on the back of a friendly dragon. As Lily and Oliver explored the magical world beyond the door, they realized that the true magic was in the joy of sharing adventures with friends and making dreams come true. And so, with hearts full of happiness, Lily and Oliver returned to Whimsyville, carrying the magic of the garden with them. From that day forward, whenever Lily felt curious or in need of a little magic, she would visit the hidden path, and the enchanted garden would welcome her with open arms. And so, the story of Lily and the magical garden became a beloved tale in Whimsyville, inspiring children to always follow their hearts and believe in the magic that surrounds them every day.